Let's walk through how to print using Firefox and Design and Print Online. In the Preview and Print screen, we can see a view of our entire sheet. To start printing, we'll click on Get PDF to Print on the right side. Next, we'll see our Printing Tips window. We highly recommend using Adobe Reader as your PDF viewer for the best print results. Once we select the Download PDF button, the PDF will automatically open in Adobe Reader. If your project doesn't open, you can find the PDF in your Downloads folder. In Firefox, click the downward arrow in the upper right of the browser window and you will see the PDF of your project. Select the file name to open it. There are a few settings that we need to check before printing. On the PDF, we want to make sure to set the correct paper size for our product and that actual size is selected and that the scale is set to 100%. Now if we click Properties, we will change the media type to a thicker paper type option. Some printers will have a label or heavyweight setting, but this will depend on the make and model of the printer. We will select the option for matte photo paper as our media type. We suggest reaching out to your printer manufacturer for the best settings. We also want to check that our paper size is correct and change the print quality to best or high quality. As a test, we recommend printing on a blank piece of paper first. Once we've printed out a test sheet, we can place it behind the labels and hold them up to the light. If the top left and bottom right labels are aligned, that's a good sign that the rest of the labels will be aligned as well. If the design looks aligned, we can insert our Avery product into the printer and repeat the print steps. In case your project did not print as expected, here are some basic troubleshooting techniques. It is best to use only genuine Avery products with Design and Print Online, as these templates were created to fit our exact specifications. You will also want to be sure that the design template number matches the product you are using. You can find the product number on the front page of your package. Unfortunately, slight variances can appear each time a printer feeds a sheet of paper. If your project is off to the left, right, up or down, under Show Print Options, you can find Adjust Print Alignment on the Preview and Print page to shift your template by certain amounts. However, just remember that the settings you choose will be saved for your project, so make sure to zero out any values you entered when you switch to a different product or printer. For best results, we would recommend following these general guidelines. Try to print one sheet at a time. If available, use your printer's manual feed tray to provide the most accurate results. Make sure that the paper guides fit the sheet snugly. If you are using the regular paper tray, it's best to insert a small stack of about 20 sheets of plain paper below the label or card sheet to help your printer feed the sheet through. If you need additional help with Avery Design and Print Online, visit avery.com/help for more information and to contact our care team. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.